In today's video, I will show you how to delete pictures from a Word document, whether you want to remove just one picture or all of them at once. Let's get started. First, open your Word document. Here I have a sample file that contains few images just for demonstration. If you want to delete just one picture, simply click on the image with your mouse to select it, then press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard, and that's it. The picture is now removed. Now, what if you want to delete all the pictures in your document at once? So here's how you can do it. Click on the replace option at the top right of your screen. A new window will appear. Click more at the bottom. Then click on the special drop down menu. From the list, select graphic. You will now see G appears in the find word box. Make sure the replace with box is completely empty, no text, no spaces. Then click replace all. And just like that, every picture in your document will be deleted instantly. As you can see, it's really simple to delete pictures from Word, whether it's one picture or all of them at once. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our channel for more quick and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.